What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamra. If you are new, shout out to you for stopping by. Welcome to the first episode of VLOGMAS. I am super excited to be doing VLOGMAS this year and I hope you guys are excited to join me. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning and getting ready to decorate for Christmas. This is part one of 2 videos and I am super excited to get everything out of the way, clean this place up, and dive into my Christmas decor. I'm gonna take my tree out, fluff that, get it ready to decorate, and I'm super excited. This is our first Christmas as a married couple. We got married in August and I'm really excited to just turn our apartment into a winter wonderland. Going really glam this year. So if you've seen my last 2 holiday videos, I did more of a whimsical, colorful, traditional type of tree. This year we're going full glam, sophisticated. I have a few new home decor pieces, staple pieces that I'm excited to show you guys in future videos. And yeah, kick off to Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I can't say that enough. If you are new, please do consider subscribing. I would absolutely love to have you. Drop a comment down below on what you think of this video. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I drop the next Vlogmas episode. And I will catch you guys later. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so just giving you guys a quick overview. Our apartment is pretty messy. Got a sweater over here, couch is a mess, just things everywhere. The kitchen is messy. So it's time to just kind of get all the fall decor out of here, put shoes away like this random package. It's just time to clear everything, make it a brand new fresh space. And yeah, just wanted to give you a quick start so that you can see what it looks like when we finish. We got to rearrange some of these plants because where's my tree gonna go if the plants are taking up all the space? So yeah, let's go ahead and start getting everything out of the way. Alright guys, so to start off, we always start off with a load of laundry. It can run while I do everything else, and by the time I'm done cleaning, the laundry will be done. Also, all I have to do is fold it and put it away. So I just like to go ahead and start off with that, load everything up, softener, detergent, and let it run. And then I'm going to start picking up all the things in the living area. This is like our chill space, so we'll end up having clothes out here. As you can see, we have blankets everywhere. The Georgia game was this past weekend, so my husband had his blanket out and all his Georgia gear. So just clearing out the space, getting everything out of the way so that we can wipe everything down. This area seems to be like our one-stop shop. We come in, we drop everything on that counter, on the table. We store things clearly on these stools. My book bag is still there because I had just finished my stretch from work. So I'm just getting everything out of the way. Usually we pick them up right away, but this week we were just kind of busy and everything just kind of got left where we put it. So getting everything out of the way, putting my book bag away, taking things out that don't even belong in there anymore, and putting that in the closet. If you watched my clean and decorate for fall video, you really would already know that I kind of half-assed decorated for fall this year. I was just really excited to clean the space after us getting married and things being all over the place and just to add some color, but there was really no rhyme or reason to the way that I decorated. So I was kind of really excited to get them out of the way, put them into this container and store them away in the closet until next year. We'll do it bigger and even better, but this year it was kind of just like slapped together. So I was ready to let it go. This couch is such an eyesore to me sometimes because I want a new couch so badly, but my husband has constantly told me that it is not reasonable for us to get a new couch right now. So we just make it look the best we can, cute pillows, blankets, all the things. So I like to spray it down with Febreze all the time. No one wants a smelly couch, and thankfully ours is not. So just going ahead and doing that and putting the pillows back and spraying down our little single chair as well. I don't know why my camera is shifting like that. The stand is not moving, but multiple times in this video as I was editing, I noticed that it did that little rotating thing. So bear with me as I figure out what that's about. Probably have to play with some settings or something, but you'll see it happen a few more times, but please just ignore it. I saw a post on Instagram mentioning how as an adult you wash dishes like 2 to 3 times a day. Why is that so true? And then I heard that it gets worse when you have kids. Listen, I'm gonna have to hire somebody to wash the dishes because I swear we wash dishes way too often for it to just be 2 people living in the house. If you have not tried this Scrub Daddy paste, please do yourself a favor and go to the store and buy it. It made such a difference in my stove. It's not even funny. I saw someone on TikTok the other day use it on a pot, so that's what I'm gonna try it on next, but it definitely got the job done with this stove. I promise you, you will not regret it. I always go back and forth with what I want to do with this table and this area by the door. It sometimes tends to be a one-stop shop and we just drop things there, but I have a vision for Christmas and Christmas decor, so I hope it turns out cute. You guys will have to see in episode 2 of Vlogmas, but now it is time to whip out the Christmas tree. I'm so happy to be taking out my tree. Obviously this video was a little bit pre-filmed, and by the time I took this out, everybody was just like, girl, it's not even Thanksgiving yet, but who cares? Who cares? The excitement is real, and if I had the time, I would have taken it out earlier. So I'm just gonna spend my time fluffing this. Our tree is pretty sparse. I actually got this tree from Target on a Black Friday sale. I'll link it down below because it was suitable for the first year or two, but now I want a bigger, fluffier, flocked tree. So I will be looking out for one of those Black Friday sales and during the end of the Christmas season so I can snag one for the low, but you'll see as the video goes on, it is kind of spacey, so I have a few pics that I'm going to use to fill up that empty space. Okay guys, my tree is officially up. I would show you with the lights on, but you can't really see it because it is still pretty sunny outside. But I took my time fluffing as much as I could so that it wouldn't look so sparse. But if I get up close, you can see there's a big hole right here and here, and you know, down there, especially at the bottom. If you watched my last video, you saw I got some picks, which I'll show you in a minute, that basically are just Christmas tree stems, and I'm going to use those to fill in those spaces, but I'm pretty happy with it. I fluffed it out a lot more than I did last year, so it looks a little bit better. So yeah. So y'all know after you're done putting up the Christmas tree, there's gonna be a whole bunch of Christmas tree remnants on the floor. So just sealing off my cleaning day with a nice good vacuum, getting all that stuff up off the floor. One day I'll have a cordless vacuum, but this little one here, she's small but she's mighty. She gets the job done. So I'm just gonna go through the whole apartment until we are nice and clean. Alright guys, that is it for episode 1 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning, refreshing my space with me, putting up my tree. I am so happy to have it up. I keep looking at it like, what else can I go buy? What else do I need to turn this space into the dreamiest winter wonderland that I can? I'm so excited. I cannot wait to finish decorating. That will be in episode 2. I'll be sharing all my decor, all the things. I wanted to show you guys in this video, but it just makes sense to show it in the next one. So if you want to see what I have and how I transform our space to the best of my abilities, please do subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Drop a comment down below on what you think. Share with me what you're doing this year for Christmas in your space. Share this video with someone you love, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.